how to rotate an image in picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up Picture Gallery. Next in here, I'm going to go back to the gallery homepage and then select a picture that you want to flip. So for example, this one right here, open it up. Then tap on the Edit button. Next, tap on the Transform button at the bottom corner here. Then at the top, tap on the Flip button right here. So tap on this button to flip it. And that's it. So to flip an image, just tap on it and then tap on the Save button. And this will allow you to flip or reverse an image. And then tap on Saved. And that's it. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.